Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from your Google Pixel Fold. At the start if you see something like that in your notification bar, just a lot of spam alerts or something like that, just spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit inside, that means you have a notification software and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm going to show you the first method. We have to open the settings and open the apps. Now tap on CL apps and now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name, just open it and click on install. Tap on the OK, and after that go back to the app list, and in the second step look for your web browser. Now tap on the storage and cache and choose manage space. Tap on the clear all data and configure it by OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you, but remember to choose trusted company. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now, and it is the application. Tap on the continuous free and choose start scan. Now tap on the OK and add a permission to the files. Then go back to the app, and now scanning process runs automatically, and after that your phone should be free from any unwanted software that you have. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.